Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Teach Me Computer. To get latest videos, to write programs for computer and to learn how to code, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also like my videos, comment in the comment section and save the important videos in your playlist and share the videos with your friends. Thank you. Hello guys, I came back with new session to set up Visual Studio Code for C and C++ programs. Let's start. Click on open the Visual Studio Code, click on the extensions, type C++. Here under the list, click the Microsoft Publisher extension, install it. Under this extension you can see the link get started with C++ and MingWW64. From here click on the MingWW64, download it and install it in your C drive. Here I have installed it in my C drive. Go till bin folder. Here you can see g++exe, gcc.exe files. Copy the path. Click on the Windows button. Type environment. Click environment variable. Under the system variable, edit path. Press new. Enter the path and click OK. Because I have already edited, so I am not going to press OK. You have to click OK. OK, OK, OK. Then restart your Visual Studio. After restarting, create the folder for C programs. I have C example folder in my documents and open it. Open that folder. Open it. Then after press Ctrl Shift P, type C/C++, edit configurations UI, press OK. Here you have to paste the same path you have pasted inside the environment variable. Type gcc.exe for C programs and g++.exe for C++ programs. Under the IntelliSense mode, select GCC x64 option from drop-down. Then after, you need to create C program file. I have already here. Here I have a program file. Open the terminal inside Visual Studio Code. Click on the output. Press run. You can see the program is running successfully. Click on the terminal. My file name is begin, so I have begin.exe created. Enter. I can see the output here. If I am going to add it again, save it. If I am going to run it, then you can see the code is running. Right click on the pane, stop code running. You can get exited with code 1. I am running it again. I have received error, cannot open output file begin.exe because it is already in execution. Enter. Now press run. It is running again. Go to terminal, run the exe again, you can get the updated output. That's it. Okay, bye.